black men. This is a popular way to gain a following. Now, I'm just gonna be honest. When I started YouTube a few months ago, my husband warned me. He was like, there are so many content creators, so much just garbage out there that is specifically dedicated to people making money off of misandry and especially hate towards black men. I didn't really want to believe him. I mean, I always knew there was always a few people out there who were crazy, but I didn't believe it was nearly as popular. Now, fast forward a few months later, I'm biting my tongue and I'm like, you are very much right. And what I have found is, for whatever reason, it is so popular as a woman, especially as a black woman, to create content that pretty much is just hateful towards black men. I don't know how else to put it. It's just really popular. And I mean, to the point to where I'm seeing new channels pop up that may have 2-3 videos and you're seeing hundreds of thousands of views. And I'm like, huh? How is that possible? And then I go in and I'm like, oh, bingo. This is one of those I hate black men channels. It's so creepy. It is so creepy to me. I don't know why. I don't know if it's culture per se, or if it's the algorithm, or if it's both, but there is definitely money to be made right now off of hating black men. I knew that if I started a channel that was literally dedicated to just that, and just finding every single dusty situation, finding every single black man who was done the trashiest thing out there, and then just creating videos after videos, man, I'd get so much support, and I probably would get a lot of money too, a lot of female followers, maybe even a few male followers here and there. But I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I know that's popular right now. I think it's disgusting that it's popular, but it is. And it's sad to me. So I can't say I necessarily understand why, but I would be lying to myself if I was to ignore the fact that right now there is a ton of money to be made off of just that, off of just saying, I hate black men and here's why. That's a very popular niche of content, and it is growing a community. And, I just don't. So I guess I can't find myself a part of that crowd. And while I'm not going to sit here and act like black men are perfect, no man is perfect. No woman is perfect. No human beings are perfect. I'm not going to glorify or demonize anybody. People are people. And I know that's going to come with certain consequences. As a black woman, I think there's this silent expectation that I'm supposed to be a part of the sister code. And I'm not a part of any code that I think is going to be perpetuating lies. And I think the just blanket, I hate black men are the problem, ideology is perpetuating lies. And I'm not for that. So, but what do you think? Why do you think that's so popular? Is it the algorithm? Is it culture? Is it something else? Let me know what you think. Leave your questions, comments, concerns in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for listening if you've gotten this far, and we'll talk later. Bye.